Thank you so much.
Beside this application for the best performer, based on the production, napagita kay Peter Award, and then dapat ay best interested. Let us all congratulate in advance our children for being and bringing themselves in front of us to give their best and representing the different countries that they are represented. Dili ko mawala ang ato ang Pilipinas. Wala pa makakita in the news, ang news karon nanay giwadanon nga diraw China versus daw sa Pilipinas. Nana sila gipang pabuto. Pero ang ato pabuton, ang ato pagtuo nga dili gyud na siya makaapektuhan sa atong nasod. Agri ba mo ana, mga ginikanan. Wala na gyud na sila din na. So advance congratulations sa tanan. And before I leave the stage, let me remind you all for the famous quote of about United Nations. Kung saan ay pinaka-famous na kanang quote aning United Nations. Why do we have this United Nations? So sa inungdan nga na ay United Nations. United Nations. Okay, mo na yung famous quote. If the United Nations is to survive, those who represent it must bolster on it. What do you mean by the word bolster? Ang word na bolster is you are going to support the United Nations manang bolster. Then, those who advocate, it must admit to it. Ikaw nga nagbugna, ikaw nga nag-participate, lain-lain man ang atong nasod, pero isa ra gyud ang atong tumong. Peace and unity. And those who believe in it must fight for it. Fight nato ang peace and unity sa ato ang matagusa ka nasod para walay gubo. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming and thank you for participating and thank you for supporting this activity by United Nations. God bless us all and good morning once again.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Evelyn. Ayan, kahit iba-iba ang pinanggalingan, iba-iba man ang ating mga itinaas na ratarat, pero iisa ang ating layunin. At dapat yun ang unity and collaboration with one another. Ngayon naman, may I call Mrs. Genicel M. Tao for judging. Ayan, surprise. Okay, andito po sa ating program nakalagay, ma'am. Okay, while waiting po ang ating mga candidates, babasahin muna natin kung paano ba pipiliin ang ating mga minor award ngayong umagang ito. Okay, I will read the criteria for best in introduction. Okay, clarity, 40%, content, 30%, confidence, 30%, a total of 100%. Next is the criteria for best in national costume. Adherence to costume requirement of the country represented, 40%. Stage presence, 30%. Voice and bearing, 30%, a total of 100%. Next is the criteria for best performer, stage presence, 40%, projection and delivery, 30%, overall impact, 30%, a total of 100%. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ma'am Genicel. Ayan. At yun po ang mga criteria for judging para piliin ang ating mga winners for our minor awards. Pero mamaya pa yan. Alam ko nahihirapan ang ating mga judges to decide kung sino ba talaga ang bibigyan o mananalo ng mga awards na ating nasabi kanina. Ngayon naman, let us be one of the students of San Antonio Elementary School, Kuya Raiko Eslabot, to serenade us all. So palakpakan po natin si Kuya Raiko. Ayan. Kuya Raiko, come here. Dito na po tayo sa taas.
December pa. Wala na hulot. Wala na hulot. Bili na ko